To mark the 5th Foundation Day of the Youth Tripura Federation, the organization's leadership provided essential assistance to patients at the Tagarjula Community Health Center on Sunday. The outreach program was led by Suros Debarma, President of the YTF and MDC, alongside MLA Bishwajit Koloi. During the visit, the YTF delegation interacted with patients and hospital staff to understand the facility's current needs. Speaking on the occasion, YTF President Suros Debarma stated that the Foundation Day is an opportunity for the youth wing to reaffirm its dedications to the welfare of the Tripura people. MLA Bishwajit Koloi praised the YTF members for their proactive role in social causes.
Fifth Foundation Day, Omno Rugino, Chin Bubagra Dagiza, Sing Joto Zagawa, Mansak Subalani Bagay, Sing Orochi Tagarjola PSC, or Faisopaka or Nijata, patient on Aero staff on Boje, Mansakisa, Fruit Rock, Sing Bagan with Hileja, Aero Sopajak, Balek Palkahamson, Sin YTFni, Salatipunicin, Centrally President Chin Bormon of Suroj, Chini Katal, MDC, and Mania Golobini Nepriteno. Bini under the leadership of Tinisung or Tintagasla, Faisung or follow back like a Garos and patient of Kobo Masalaka, Doctor Kowas like a Kishimishan, the problem Tivus and Cox Salaka. They over Obonochini, Jotorchini, Sigla of Pinos and Paisopalaka City or Central leader to Mobama Raju, they will be Motonato President, the Senior and Amsini leader to Mobama and Money, Yamakino Jotosini. Siklaro, tini khas rangai sang joto jaga chini bubak and dagi Mumbai. Karon tan bagi hole chini YTF rok chini siklaro om chini fan hai. Chini backbone. Sang chini o backbone ono sang infuse aro sang tebu karak jago sang plang than nang nai. Tai society o tini sang joto jagon help khanin bagi chin ti pramothani je YTF sangothon. Je organization obo kintu sang age bo khai phayo tau bo sang ready tongo sang joto jagan thangi chubai tongo je mansak sum chubalai. Amben sang tinoro chino taka do phai sang sopai lekha ebong sang follow bo bak lekha.
Tabuk sakjara je Tagarjola sakhamnok slamjakmani tini chamung nungmung bakmani yagolo visit khaimani bisingtei bob hai matong Tagarjola sakhamnok bom hai ke cholitong
kahamno chini obo building to construction kahamna kano nukha ka obo sing bodon obo khailega thanai iaro chini borongmana mukhyamantri phayoro bodon khaipeka happen chini oro kisa kamiya tongkho je kamiya obo tawo sing sonography machine oro korikho je sonography very important karon kaisa sakhamnogo sonography machine kari ke kuno treatment khaimi joto jaga refer khaima tong komno tui ang already assembly mo kokte hajak ar chini Sipajor district ni DM soho khai obno sing kok salaija ar borongno sing khena singi tongo borok nani ko sijak jehetu hayapano ang ani farm lepano songo jagawo sonography machine nang be kage kok rujak songo borenai karon oro nukhate koyekta singoro emon tabu tamne sana chini oro patient to kom patients emne tini admitted songo matra khoro buri mangchu dai tabo to kisa patients kom hapeno chung asa khai oro kaham chini area ni amse ngui chung kaham oro treatment chollai tongo staff ro cooperate khai tongo atta kaisa chini oro actually om hai sonography machine mani kering mani karon ba chini oro tini surgical tapne bono surgery doctor kering mani karon nini oro specialist jatas kering mani karon kangkai chung obo tabo chung chini subdivisional hospital chung tabo convert khai mi gomnoti bo chung kokti sai tongo most probably ongi thangano sing chesta khai tongo jesung mansa daki obono subdivisional kaisa hospital khani status nan bagi chesta khai
Reporter Raju from Tagarjula, Chini Kharang.